Changing your car's oil is a crucial task to ensure the longevity and proper functioning of your engine. But many people make mistakes that can lead to costly damage. One of the most common mistakes is the double gasket. When removing the old oil filter, the rubber gasket can sometimes stick to the engine. If you install a new filter without noticing, this creates a double gasket that can cause significant oil leaks and damage the engine. To avoid this, always inspect the filter mounting surface to ensure the old gasket is not left behind. Another common mistake is using the wrong type of oil. Every engine is designed to work with a specific oil viscosity, usually indicated in the owner's manual. Using oil that is too thick or too thin can compromise lubrication, reduce engine efficiency, and increase fuel consumption. Therefore, it is essential to choose the oil that matches your vehicle's specifications. Neglecting the drain plug is another frequent error. Failing to replace the gasket or not tightening it properly can result in oil leaks. It is recommended to always replace the drain, plug gasket, and tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque. Another often overlooked mistake is not pre-filling the new oil filter with oil before installing it. Skipping this step can delay engine lubrication during the first startup after an oil change, causing premature wear. Always pre-fill the filter with oil to ensure immediate lubrication. Many people also wait too long between oil changes, which is problematic. Used oil loses its lubricating properties and contains impurities that accelerate wear on engine components. Always follow the recommended intervals in your vehicle's manual. And if you drive in harsh conditions, shorten these intervals. Using improper tools is another error that can cause damage, such as stripped threads or overly tight filters. Invest in proper tools, like a torque wrench and an oil filter wrench, to work efficiently and without damage. After changing the oil, it's essential to check the level with the dipstick. A level that's too low or too high can be catastrophic for your engine. Wait a few minutes after adding oil. Check the dipstick and adjust as necessary so the level is between the min and max markers. Finally, improperly disposing of used oil is a serious mistake, not just for your car, but also for the environment. Engine oil is highly polluting and must be disposed of responsibly. Always take used oil to a recycling center or a service station equipped to handle it. By avoiding these mistakes, you can extend your engine's lifespan, save money in the long run, and help protect the environment. If you found these tips helpful, consider sharing this information with others and adopting these best practices for your next oil change. Take care of your vehicle and enjoy a reliable, high-performing engine for years to come.